Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Phantom Wallet. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Bybit application. After logging in, then you need to click on Assets at the bottom right corner. From here, you need to click on Funding and after that, click on Withdraw. Now uncheck hide geo balances. Now in the search bar, search for USDT here and select it. Now you need to enter all these information here. Firstly, select a network. Here you can see so many network out there. Now you need to select a network here. Keep in mind that Phantom Wallet supports Ethereum and Solana network only. So you have to choose between Ethereum and Solana. It's totally up to you. But in this video, I will be choosing here Solana because it's cheap rather than Ethereum. So simply click on Solana and after that, minimize your Bybit application and open your Phantom wallet. After logging into your Phantom wallet, then you need to click on receive button and from here at the top, click on Solana. And here you can see your USDT Solana wallet address. Simply copy this address and minimize your Phantom wallet and open your Bybit application again. Now paste that USDT Solana address in the address bar. After that, you need to enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw from your Bybit and to transfer it into your Phantom wallet. After filling out all this information, you need to click on this withdraw button and after that, it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your all funds into Phantom wallet. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Phantom wallet. If this video found you helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.